Apple PCB is among the leading PCB assembly manufacturers in China, with over 10 years of experience. We possess 10 SMT production lines and the most advanced equipment, accommodating both small and large volume orders. We provide a comprehensive range of flexible PCB assembly, component procurement, SMT, DIP, SAT, FCT testing services, support BGA, QFN, DFN manufacturability inspection, program burn-in, etc. We continuously invest in and upgrade our capacities and equipment to handle PCB boards featuring HDI, blind vias, barred vias, filled vias via impact, controlled impedance, heavy copper, high aspect ratios, micro BGAs, along with PCB assemblies that include the smallest package 0201, fine pitch, and BGA assembly. After your PCB design is finalized, our team will offer free DFM advice, quick-turn PCB prototypes, and prototype PCB assembly services. All that is required from you is to supply the Gerber files, BOM, coordinate file, assembly drawing, and testing procedures documentation. Apple PCB will provide a solution that fulfills your needs and delivering an accurate quote on time and within your budget range.